Before we start this video, please subscribe, put the notifications to all, like, and comment down below. Hi guys, how are you doing? This is part 6 of the Pong game series. This is the final part, and in this tutorial we're going to make the scoring system. So let's get started. In the last video we left off with this. We made the ball move, we made border collision, we made collision with the paddles, and if we lose we start from width divided by 2 and height divided by 2. If you haven't seen that tutorial, please check that out. I have it over here. So now we're gonna make a font, but before that you have to say pygame.init in it if you don't want to get errors. Just check that out. So we're gonna make font equals to pygame.font.font. It takes two parameters, the font and the font size. You have to install a font to do this. So I'm using montessera.ttf, the TTF file. You can download it simply from the Google Fonts website, and I've put it in my folder, so I just can call it like Montessera. You have to get the spelling right, montessera.ttf, and you can set the size to 100, should be good. Okay, now we're gonna say text equals to font.render, and this takes three parameters. We'll put in the text. I'm just gonna say 0 for now. I'm just gonna set this to false, and I'm gonna set the color. I'm gonna put it white. Okay, that's good. Now let's split it into the screen. So we're gonna say screen.blit. It's called font. We're gonna split the text actually, and text, comma 0, comma 0. It's gonna be at 0, 0. It's gonna be at 0, 0. So as you see, it's over here, which is really good. I'm just gonna put this at 20 at the X. Okay, and then we're gonna make for the other text for the paddle 2. So I'm gonna paste that here. I'm just gonna change it to 2, and we don't have to change actually anything. We just have to split it here. Screen.blit. Text. This is the X is gonna be at 1230. 1200. And it's over here, so that's good. Now let's make a variable to store the score. So we're gonna make this score paddle 1 equals to 0, score paddle underscore 2 equals to 0. So I'm gonna copy this, paste it at text 0, paste it here, I'm just gonna set it to 2, and if you don't want to get errors, we're gonna set this to the string version, string. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it's still 0. That's good. Now one thing is we don't want to put the text in this code. We have to put it in the while loop so it can update live. So I'm just gonna cut the text, cut it here, paste it here. So nothing will change, but we'll see a change later. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna increment the score variable that we made if we lose, if it just goes outside the screen. So luckily we have made an if statement for that, so which is good, which is over here. If val is less than or equal to 0 and greater than or equal to 1230. So we have to simply copy this, copy this. I think score pad 1, score pad 2 should be here. It's gonna plus equals 1 each time the other loses. I'm gonna paste it here too, and if that's 2, this has to be 1. So okay, let's see. So I messed up here. It has to be score pad 1 plus equals 1. Okay, one thing here in the screen.blit, we have to set the other one to text 2. Okay, it seems like it's working. Well, let's check out the other place. So, well, it's working. So this is the end, and I'm trying to find a new series. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and bye.